Introducing Blipper. Live an organized life. Blipper is a reminder app which we've designed to solve one of the most common problems these days. Before we begin, I would like to introduce ourselves. Hello, everyone. My name is Irene, and I'm here today with Althea, and we are the creators of the Blipper app. These days, a lot of people tend to buy lots of supplies and end up storing them for way too long, not using or consuming it. Hence, the products would expire and be thrown away the moment they find the products. Apart from food or everyday products, a lot of individuals typically forget and have difficulties with keeping track of their items, such as documents or food or medicine. And they have troubles keeping track of those expiry dates as well. A solution would be to write down all the expiry dates physically on paper. But even so, physical data can get lost, or one can forget where they place the data. So we've decided to create this app to allow people to store their data digitally since it is safer and easier. That being the case, our app helps to remind people so they can prepare to restock or renew their stuff. Plus, it is eco-friendly, it's a free app, and so because it's eco-friendly, you don't have to rely on paper-based reminders. Now, this app is suitable for people for all ages. However, we suggest parental guidance for users under the age of 13. Now, through this app, we aim to allow users to track their supply stock and expiry dates, whether it's food, makeup products, toiletries, household items, medicine, important documents such as passports, etc. Thus, our app focuses on reminding users to use their supplies before it goes out of date. You might say there are lots of similar applications like this one. Regardless, our app has many promising features. There are many features, but we're going to explain just a few of the main features. And our app is free, so you don't have to pay in order to install it. It is user-friendly and it is prodigious. So what are the main features of our app? Well, the first one is to track expiry dates, renewal dates, and subscriptions, of course. And the second one is to build lasting duration or recurring dates of product or document usage, and also the renewal dates as well. So it's a habit tracker, some sort of a habit date tracker. And then last but not least, we have collaboration between family and friends. Now, we've presented Blipper's logo right now here on your screen. You can see it. And Blipper's logo is made up of two colors, a warm tone and a cool tone. So the cool tone being as purple and the warm tone being as yellow. I mean, it's not fully yellow, it's a bit chrome yellow. So these two colors go well together. They're an amazing combination and it looks well together. Now, Blipper's logo here takes up the shape of the letter B, as you can see. But the left side of the logo, it's a slightly curved exclamation mark. And the reason we chose to use an exclamation mark for this, like how do we correspond this to an exclamation mark? It's because when you see an exclamation mark, I mean, it would surely notify you as alert, right? So that's why we chose exclamation mark and the letter B being for Blipper. And the reason we chose the name Blipper is also because blip, I mean, it usually refers to a sound of a notification and our app notifies you, right? So it makes sense, right? Now, we chose to make the exclamation mark a little curved just to add a little bit of shape and to make the logo appear more unique. Now we are going to show you the UI design of the app, and we're also going to present one of our key features. Aside that, we will explain the navigation around this app and as well as the icons and the icons functions. Supposing you are an iOS user or an Android user, In this case, we are going to present it in iOS format. So if you're an Android user, just download it normally. And if you're an iOS user, just download normally as well. But we're going to use the iOS way to present the application. So do note that both devices, Apple and Android, iOS and Android, can use this app. So this app can be downloaded on both types of devices. Now, let's get into the navigation around this app. Now, supposing you are new to this app, you just found out about our ad. Maybe you've seen it on Instagram or on Facebook or somewhere you heard from a friend and you're interested in downloading our app. So as an iOS user, obviously, or an Android user, you would directly rush into the App Store, the Google Play Store, right? So in iOS, it's App Store. And obviously, you would click on the App Store button, right? And this is what you will see once you enter the App Store button. And there will be the search icon below on the right side, and you just click this icon and you search for our app, which is Blipper. Now you type in Blipper and then you click search and our app will automatically be here. You can just scroll it down or just take a look of it at the top. So to download this, you would click on the app, of course, either click on the logo or the get button directly. So here, if you click on the Blipper, it will lead to this page and you can see the app logo and you can see the get button and there will be information regarding to our app here. So Blipper here, we have the app name, we have the slogan, we have the share button. You can share this app to your friends. There's information about the age, chart, and the developer. And if you're wondering what does VSOPKAC mean, I mean, VSO, it's the initials of the teachers for 3 subjects, and PK is just Pelangi Kasih, and AC is just my name and Althea's name combined together. So yeah, I think that's a very creative name for developers. Now, users, when they enter the App Store and want to download our app, they can also have a preview of our UI design. So that gives them an image of what our app looks like. Now, Apple users, when you want to download something, you would click on the get button, right? You will click on the get button there. And in this case, I want to download this app. So I'm going to click the get button and automatically this page would come and it will show this page. So there will be the right thing, double click to install. And when you click this thing over here, the side button on your phone, you will usually require Face ID or input password. And if you pay attention to the bottom here, we have information about our app and then the developer and the account of the user or the person who wants to download this app. In this case, it's Haley Ed. Haley Ed, Ed short for Edwards. So this is the person in this scenario that we're going to borrow their name. Now, you just double click this and usually the app will be then downloaded. So I'm going to double click this and then this is just a preview. Once you've downloaded the app will then be present on your home screen. And to access the app, you would just click on the logo here. So just click it and you're automatically inside our app. So this is the introduction page. There's Blipper's logo, welcome to Blipper, and then there's our slogan. And when you click next, right here, it will lead to these 3 pages. I mean, the first one being this one, second this one, and the third one this one. So users can slide through these pages. These 2, they describe the main features, and this one just says that there are many more features in our app. So the user will then have to click Let's Go, and it will go to this page. Sign in to your account. So since you are new to this app, obviously you have to create an account, right? So you would have to click the sign up if you don't have an account yet. You click sign up and then create an account. You have to input your email, your password, and then you have to repeat your password to verify the password. And in this case, we're going to borrow Haley's name again. So Haley has inputted her email and the password, and then you can just sign up right here. Once you've signed up, it will lead to this page, which says choose a profile picture. So this is basically the finish setting up your profile page. And in order to choose a profile picture, you must click on the plus icon. However, if you don't want to choose a profile picture, you want to set it up for later, you can click the maybe later. And in this case, Haley, she's obviously going to pick a picture. So we're going to click on the plus icon right here, and it would lead to this page. So it will show a pop-up notification, and it says Blipper would like to access your camera. So to allow this, just click on OK, and it will allow access to your camera. And then again, we would like to ask permission to access your photos, your gallery. And if you want to allow access, you can either allow access to all photos just by clicking this one, or you can allow access to several photos only. So you can select photos, and you have to do this manually. And if you don't want to allow, just click don't allow.
Now I will choose the allow access to all photos. After allowing access to your photos, this will pop out. There are 3 choices to choose: take photo, choose photo, and browse. So first, let's check out the take photo and click it. Then it will go to the camera directly. Okay, let's click this cross to go back. Now let's use the choose photo to pick our profile picture. In here, we will go to your gallery and you can pick one of the picture, then click the picture you are going to use. So here I'm going to use this picture, and then you click the select button and then next. After you select your photo, it will fill in the profile picture and then click next. Then it will lead you to the page in which you have to enter your name. Here, for example, the username is Haley Edwards. Once you fill in the name, you click the next icon. After you click the next icon, it will lead you to this page where it says, "Hello, Haley Edwards, you're all set and ready to go," which means you are all ready to use our app. We are going to click the next button. And now we are in our home screen. If you pay attention on the top right here, there is a help icon. If users have trouble understanding how to use the app, just click the help icon here. And we also have a header here. And below the header, there are 3 tabs which have the words written: expiration, renewal, and subscriptions. Users can add reminders through the icon here, and they can switch between these tabs by clicking on them. Next, here we also have the stock and duration tracker tabs. If you want to add, just click on this icon. Next, we have the categories. We have the documents, beauty products, health, and consumables. So let's say the user wants to add a new subscription. Then he or she would have to click on the subscription tab. Once we are on the subscription tab, we are going to click on the add new icon on the right here, and it will lead to this page. On this page, we have provided several apps which provide subscription services to which our app have connected or collaborated with. The user can choose the app that they have to subscribe to. Now again, we're going to give an example with Haley. Haley has subscribed to Spotify Premium, so she will have to click on the Spotify logo and she will be led to this page. And here it will show Haley's subscription plan. Haley can choose to share this information to her family or friends by clicking this share button. After clicking the share button, this will pop up, and you can share this through any apps you have. If you want to cancel sharing, just click on the cancel here. And we are back in the Spotify page. Now we are going to go back to our home page. Just click on this back icon and again, and we are back in the home page. Okay, if we scroll down here, there are 3 other apps. They are scan barcodes, scan receipt, and voice recognition. With scan barcodes, you can simply scan the barcode of your item and it will automatically figure out its name and estimate an expiration date. And in receipt scanning, you can just snap a photo of your receipt and it will automatically add the items to the app for you. And last, we have voice recognition. You can just input data or information in ease. So now we will go to the profile page. This is the profile page. Here it will show you your overall reminders. We have the calendar and the reminders here. In the calendars, you can change the month by pressing this icon, and you can also click on the dates here. So here we have the example for 20 December. On 20 December, Haley have all of these reminders from every categories. And if she wants to share, she can just click on this share icon. And if she's done with her task here, she can just click on this icon and it will erase this reminder. And then now we are going to go back to our home page. Now we are going to the settings. In the settings, you can edit your profile, change password, change the default language, enable dark mode and light mode, enable push notifications, enable sync across devices, and others as well, like privacy policy, terms, help, and feedback. And if you want to log out, just press this log out button. And this will go back to the sign up page again. So that is it for the explanation for our app. If you guys have any other questions, that is it for the explanation That is it for the explanation of our app. If you guys have any other questions about our app, just comment down below and we will reply it as soon as possible. Thank you.